What's up, YouTube fam?
It's Keeping Up with the Griffins.
And we're back with another video.
In this video, we'll be showing you how to make vegan Butterfingers.
And this is a challenge created by Keeping Up with Queen-Eva. This is her first challenge, and it is the Vegan Butterfinger challenge. She challenged us to do it, so you know we had to get in on the fun.
I can do it.
Yeah.
So what y'all think about this
I think it's
challenge?
gonna be
Think
good.
It's gonna be good?
I think it's like the other one.
We gonna see.
Maybe it might be a kind of homemade because we love
It is homemade.
Like Butterfingers. Yeah, Butterfingers. Homemade Butterfingers.
Extra.
Before we get into making these vegan Butterfingers, we want to welcome you back to our channel, and if you're new,
You know what to do. Subscribe, click the bell, ding ding, like and comment on our videos down below. That's all you have to do and do it.
we'll be happy to have you as a part of our Keeping Up with the Griffin family. Alright, so y'all ready to make these Butterfingers?
Yes, Let's make these Butterfingers.
Okay, so we about to get started on making our vegan Butterfingers, and our first ingredients is organic cereal,
Peanut butter, the dark chocolate chips,
Maple syrup, and this ingredient is optional, Himalayan pink salt. And you also will need a blender to blend the organic cereal, mixing bowl, and maybe a pan or parchment sheet or even aluminum foil to spread out the candies once you're done. Alright, so the next step is to mix the cereal with the peanut butter. Okay, and Kylie is going to make sure that it's all mixed up together.
Okay, so we already mixed up the organic cereal with the peanut butter. So our next step is putting in maple syrup. Okay, so the next step is going to be the Himalayan pink salt, a pinch of salt. After you roll them up, your Butterfingers, after you roll them up, you put them in the freezer or refrigerator for 30 to 60 minutes so they can become firm, and then you roll them in your chocolate. Alright, so the next process is we're going to roll these bad boys into some chocolate.
Okay, so we're done getting them coated in the chocolate, and we're gonna pop them back in the freezer for a little while, let them get a little bit harder, and we're gonna come back and taste test them.
They look like some real Butterfingers.
Right, so these are vegan Butterfingers. All ready to test it out?
Yes, sir. I'm waiting for it. Born ready.
All right, grab one and let's test it.
Give me a small one. Oh,
Like now? It feels like Butterfinger. Mmm.
It does taste good.
it's good.
It tastes like Butterfinger. I don't know.
Like I had a taste before.
Mm-hmm.
Do like some kind of
Not the syrup.
nutrition bar or something.
It tastes just like a Butterfinger, but it's not as crunchy. You know, I like Butterfingers to be hard, have those hard pieces in there. It's pretty good. So I guess it is close to the Butterfinger. I want to say thank you to Keeping Up with Queen-Eva for challenging us to try these vegan Butterfingers. They are delicious. Very tasty.
Very good.
We do want to challenge 3 people to make these vegan Butterfingers.
First, the first people want to challenge is meet the leaves.
We want to challenge Unnatural Vegan.
And last but not least, Reed Family 6.
Give this a shot. Make sure you tag Keeping Up with Queen-Eva in the title. And we want to say congratulations to Queen-Eva for coming up with her first challenge, creating her first challenge. This is very good, very tasty. We enjoyed it.
It's good.
Thank you for challenging us.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
We hope you like this video. Comment on this video. If you're new to our channel, we hope you subscribe.
Click that bell. Ding, ding.
And we'll see y'all in the next video.
Peace.
Peace.
They're so good. I hope you could try it. It's good for anyone. I know that kids will love it. It's really good.